Yeah. All right. No, names are important. If someone mispronounces it, you should always let them know the correct pronunciation. All right, the first call in 2021 CR 5527, State of Texas versus Mina Blue Rosen. Gautier,
yes.
Okay. Do I have parties announced for the record for the state?
For each parts?
For the defense?
Demi Callahan.
And are you Miss Wilson?
Yes.
Gautier. All right. Did you understand you're charged with possession of controlled substance containing 1 gram to 4 grams? That's third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Right off the bat, this is where things get serious. The judge lays out the charge, possession of a controlled substance between 1 and 4 grams. That might not sound like much, but legally, that's a felony carrying up to 10 years in prison. The stakes here are already sky high.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
She admits she's got a binge drinking and drug problem. She's anxious to get rid of that problem. I think she would be a good candidate.
All right. Do you have any children?
I do not.
All right. How far did you go in school?
I graduated and I spent like a year and a half at San Antonio College.
So, the person who's listed in the report 01, who was that?
He's actually my ex, and that's...
Jose Ramirez is your ex?
Yes.
So how often were you using drugs?
Really not too often. It was really just him. Like I said, I'm just going to say the contest because I know they're just going to take forever if I don't.
No, I mean, if you want a jury trial, we'll give you a jury trial.
No.
So, I mean, here's the thing. When people accept plea agreements, stop pretending like we're up here for no reason. We're here.
And here comes the reality check. The judge isn't buying any half-truths. In drug court, honesty is everything. This isn't just about punishment, it's about whether she's actually willing to confront her addiction. So the real question is she being honest, or just saying what the court wants to hear?
Because obviously, I've read the report and you have a drug problem. Either you want help for your drug problem or you don't. Either you want help for whatever issues you have or you don't. If you don't, then guess what? There are other people who need the spots that I'm going to give you.
For sure.
So, if you don't have a drug problem, and if you want to come to me with like, I was using maybe just a little once in a while, then fine.
I definitely need assistance with that.
So what drugs have you been using?
Marijuana and cocaine.
All right. Does anyone want to check on her to make sure she's okay?
Whoa, did you catch that? The judge pauses everything to check on her condition. That's a rare but important moment. It shows this isn't just a courtroom, it's also a place where real human struggles show up in real time. But at the same time, it raises a bigger concern. Is she currently under the influence?
All right. Does she need water?
That might
Sort of that has happened to me on several occasions. It is not fun. All right.
Ryan Grimmer substituting for Brittany Sparks.
All right, so what drugs have you been using?
Just marijuana and cocaine at the time.
All right, what have you used in the past?
Marijuana and cocaine.
All right, anything else?
No. I mean, after that, I did, with that same gentleman, I tried to come to him, and I got a hold of something called GHB or GBH, I don't know, but I did that, and so that might be, but that was 2 years ago, so I don't think that's...
So where are your parents?
They're separated, but my father's at work, so he couldn't, I guess, be here, but he's pretty much trying to get me back onto and away from that man, so that's why I'm kind of...
Are your parents in San Antonio?
They're here, yes.
All right, have you ever been employed?
Yes.
Doing what?
Bartending and serve.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. $1,000 fine, that'll be prorated. 2 years deferred adjudication. Taking consideration county clerk clause number 629035. 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to do that, but if you do 40 of those hours will be waived.
This is a turning point. Instead of sending her straight to prison, the judge offers deferred adjudication, basically a second chance. But don't get it twisted, this comes with strict conditions. One wrong move, and that leniency disappears fast. The court is giving her an opportunity, but it's on her to not waste it.
I want a referral to felony drug court while in custody. Nick, evaluation while in custody. Proof of employment within 30 days of release from custody. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors or any employment that involves you serving alcohol. And you're not allowed to work in any establishment whose primary purpose is to sell alcohol. You understand?
So we're at a hotel. Like, I don't.
Yeah, I mean, you can work at a hotel.
But I work in like this, we serve like only they drink.
You're not allowed to work at a bar.
But so it's not, that's what I mean. It's the hotel, but I mean, we do serve that, but it's not a bar.
All right, here's the thing. If you're at a hotel and you're working behind the bar where they have drinks and you're making drinks for people and giving it to them.
It's more serving at that location. Yes.
She's not to work as a bartender. She's not to touch alcohol. She's not to mix drinks. This is not the movie Cocktail with Tom Cruise. She's not allowed to do any of that. Anything that Tom Cruise did in Cocktail.
And here's where the judge gets a little creative, with a pop culture reference. This is not the movie Cocktail. It's funny, but it drives home a serious point. Eliminating temptation is critical in recovery. No alcohol, no exposure, no excuses. The court is literally restructuring her environment to set her up for success.
As a bartender, she's not allowed to. So touching drinks, flipping glasses in air, none of that. You're not allowed. Do you understand? And once you are fully into your sobriety, the court will reconsider. But I'm doing this to remove temptation from you, okay? Because once people, if they're not fully in their sobriety, they start drinking, then it becomes other things. There should be no contact with Jose Luis Ramirez. What are you planning on doing with the rest of your life? Are you planning on working in a hotel for the rest of your life? What do you want to do?
No, I was going to school for business management, to kind of figure out how I was going to be, because I do hospitality work, or, hospitality is where I drive in. But I was at this point trying to go more toward medical, just because medical is a thing, and everyone, it's more.
Well, I don't want to step on anybody's toes. But anytime you have a felony case or any type of case where you're on paper, and you are trying to get employed in any type of thing that requires a license, they may deny it. So this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to also, with regards to your community service hours, if you get a higher degree in business management, or if you get a certificate from a trade school.
Now this is interesting, education as an alternative to punishment. The judge is essentially saying, better yourself, and you can reduce your sentence obligations. That's a powerful incentive. It shifts the focus from just doing time to actually building a future. The question is, will she take that path?
A real trade school, then the court will waive the remaining of the community service hours. So you can do the community service hours, or you cannot do them and benefit yourself. Do you understand? There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. If you're not allowed to report in person, or you can't report in person, you'll need to report by Zoom. If she's not accepting the felony drug court, then I'll try her with intensive outpatient treatment first. The UA hotline, field visits, 2 times per month random. Is there anything else that she needs, Ms. Abrams?
No, Your Honor, I believe you covered it.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful in this deferred adjudication? All right, showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you. Probation will go with